ٹیکساس امریکہ کی 2 کاؤنٹیز کے اہم انتخابی مقابلوں میں مسلمانوں کے ووٹ انتہائی اہمیت اختیار کر گئے۔ ہیرس اور فورٹ بینڈ کاؤنٹیز میں ڈیموکریٹک اور ریپبلکن پارٹیز کے امیدواروں نے مسلمان خصوصاً پاکستانی کمیونٹی میں انتخابی سرگرمیاں تیز کر دیں۔ مسلمان ووٹ انتہائی اہمیت کے حامل ہیں۔ مسلمان امریکہ میں تبدیلی کے لیے ہر صورت میں اپنا حق رائے دہی استعمال کریں۔ فورٹ بینڈ یونائیٹڈ کے زیر اہتمام ممتاز بزنس مین محمد بیگ کے تعاون سے لوزیانہ فرائیڈ فرنچائز پر منعقدہ میٹ اینڈ گریٹ پروگرام سے ڈیموکریٹک امیدواروں کی پاکستانی میڈیا سے گفتگو۔ دیکھتے ہیں ہیوسٹن سے نصرت لغاری کی رپورٹ۔
ٹیکساس امریکہ کی 2 کاؤنٹیز کے اہم انتخابی مقابلوں میں مسلمانوں کے ووٹوں کی اہمیت کے پیش نظر ڈیموکریٹک امیدواروں نے مسلمان کمیونٹی میں اپنی انتخابی مہم تیز کر دی ہے اور مساجد کے دوروں سمیت میٹ اینڈ گریٹ کے پروگراموں میں بھرپور شرکت کر کے مسلمان کمیونٹی کو ان کے ووٹ کی اہمیت کا احساس دلانے کے لیے کوشاں ہیں۔ اس حوالے سے فورٹ بینڈ یونائیٹڈ کے زیر اہتمام ممتاز بزنس مین محمد بیگ کے تعاون سے لوئزیانہ فرائیڈ چکن پر منعقد ہونے والے میٹ اینڈ گریٹ پروگرام میں بھی متعدد ڈیموکریٹک امیدواروں نے خصوصی طور پر شرکت کی۔ اس موقع پر ڈیموکریٹک امیدوار برائے کانگریس ڈسٹرکٹ 22 سری پریسٹن کلکرنی سمیت جج فورٹ بینڈ کاؤنٹی کے پی جارج، ڈسٹرکٹ اٹارنی برائن مڈلٹن، رون رینولڈ، مارک ہیریسن، نبیل شائخ اور دیگر امیدواروں کا پاکستانی میڈیا سے گفتگو کرتے ہوئے کہنا تھا کہ صدر ٹرمپ صرف امریکی مسلمانوں اور امیگرینٹس کے لیے ہی نہیں بلکہ پورے امریکہ کے لیے خطرناک ہے۔ مسلمان ووٹ انتہائی اہمیت کا حامل ہیں۔ مسلمان امریکہ میں تبدیلی کے لیے ہر صورت میں اپنے حق رائے دہی کا استعمال کریں۔
My name is Sri Preston Kulkarni. I am the Democratic nominee for U.S. Congress here in Texas 22. Texas 22 has the largest Muslim population in the state of Texas, and Texas has the largest Muslim population in the entire country. What does that mean? The Muslim community has the power this year in the most important election of our lifetime. We know everything is on the ballot. The health of our families is on the ballot. The education of our children is on the ballot. Our economy, our small businesses are on the ballot. Our democracy is on the ballot. And what we can do here is we can show Fort Bend, Texas 22, Texas and the country, the power of unity and inclusion across all groups. Muslim, Hindu, Christian, Jewish, Black, White, Asian, Latino. This is our time to show that inclusion and unity is stronger than division and hatred, which is spreading across our country. We will win because we're going to do it together.
Hi everyone, I'm KP George, Fort Bend County Judge, and I'm standing in front of you with our District Attorney Brian Middleton. It's an honor and privilege to talk to you guys about what's going on in Fort Bend County. The early voting is started for the historic election in Fort Bend County and in state of Texas and in our country. And I would say it is the time for, it's the time, this is the time we have been waiting for. This is the time to get out and exercise your constitutional right, which many people died to obtain this right for us. And so it is important as one of the most diverse counties in the country, and Muslim community's contribution is an important thing in Fort Bend County. And I just wanted to make sure our Muslim brothers and sisters come out in big numbers and exercise your right, select and elect people who share your values.
Assalamu alaikum everybody. My name is Nabil Shaikh. I am your Democratic candidate for Fort Bend County Precinct 4. Just a little bit about myself. I have a bachelor's degree in criminal justice. I've been a police officer since 2014. I have over 5,400 training and education hours with the Texas Commission of Law Enforcement. I hold an advanced police officer's license. I'm a police instructor, a field training officer. I've won the 2017 Community Service of the Year Award. I'm also a recipient of the FBI Law Enforcement Executive Development Association Trilogy Award, which consists of your supervisory, command, and executive levels. So, about the Muslim community, Precinct 4 is the most diverse precinct within Fort Bend County. Fort Bend County is the most diverse county in the nation. Now, our Muslim votes within Fort Bend County is going to equate to about 22,000. And in Precinct 4, of that 22,000, within Precinct 4 is about 10,000. So our Muslim community can decide this election. It is extremely important for our Muslim voters to come out and execute the most important right you have as an American, and that is voting.
The Muslim community, along with everything else, Fort Bend County is one of the most diverse counties in the U.S. right now. And that doesn't stop with Precinct 3. Precinct 3 is extremely diverse, and I think it's very important for the Muslim community to be involved in our election because it will have a huge impact on electing the leaders that will make a big difference in our communities. We have to elect leaders that are going to have diversity in our communities. It's going to get out there and be proactive and result in community policing for everybody, not just a few.
My name is Ron Reynolds, and I serve as state representative for District 27. And my message is this: make sure that you go and vote. This is a critical election for our democracy. So much is at stake regarding our public education, healthcare, jobs, the environment, criminal justice reform, and I want to encourage all of my friends in the Muslim community to make sure that you remember that your vote is your voice, so get out and vote. The polls, early voting goes on until October the 30th, and election day is Tuesday, November 3rd. Make sure that you go and vote. Thank you.
We have to have diversity in this country. We are the most diverse country. My county, my precinct is the most diverse precinct. We have to have diversity. Trump does not care about anybody but Trump. He doesn't care about you. We have to get him out.
My name is Christian Becerra, and I'm running for the 434th District Court here in Fort Bend County. I am born and raised here in Fort Bend County to Mexican-American immigrant parents. We all come here with the dream of making a better future for our families. My parents instilled in me the need to educate ourselves so we can be a part of the entire community, not just our community.
I'm Bridget Smith-Lawson, the Democratic nominee for the county attorney position. I'm so happy to be here tonight. This is the representation of what our party is about, coming together, working together, and this event, serving our community, our candidates, and our volunteers is a wonderful opportunity to mix and mingle. As your Democratic nominee for county attorney, I want you to know that I will bring in the true progressive leadership that our current county district attorney, Mr. Brian Middleton, and our county judge, KP George, needs to continue to move our county forward. We have to have the vision for all communities and serving all communities and taking our county from the past and making it a county that is a beacon of light for every county in Texas and for this nation. Fort Bend is one of the most diverse communities in this country, and we need to have leadership that is inclusive and reflective of diversity, and also will be able to be, again, a leader in our state for what we do in serving all communities.
I'm your Fort Bend County District Clerk, not to be confused with the county clerk or with elections, because my office doesn't do any of those things. But I'm here this evening to encourage each and every one of you to vote early and make a plan to vote early. Make it a family affair. And then when you get to the polls, go all the way down the ballot, and we will be successful at the end of the evening on November 3rd. Thank you very much.
I want to encourage everyone to vote. If there's anything that you've seen in society that you don't like, it's partly due to the fact that for years people did not vote. But we're in a different time now. We've had watershed moments, and we've had an awakening around the whole world. So this is your opportunity to make a difference and be the change that you want to see in the world. It's an opportunity for you to elect people who have your interests at heart. The time is now. If you want fairness, if you want equality, if you want to see diversity in your representation, go vote.
Assalamualaikum, मेरा नाम नबीला है, नबीला मकसूद। मैं MH के साथ हूँ, I'm the Executive Director of the Texas Chapter। आपको पता होगा कि अब वोटिंग शुरू हो चुकी है। आप लोग जरूर आए, वोट करें। हमें अपने मुसलमानों की तादाद दिखानी है, हमें अपनी आवाज़ सुनानी है। आइएगा, वोटिंग शुरू हो चुकी है all the way to October 30th। इलेक्शन का दिन है November 3rd। ये हमारे लाइफ टाइम का सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट इलेक्शन है। इसमें अगर हम हिस्सा नहीं लेंगे तो शायद हमारे मुसलमानों के लिए एक जगह ना हो सके इस कंट्री में। तो आप लोग जरूर आइएगा, वोट दीजिएगा, अपनी आवाज़ सुनाइएगा, अपने फैमिली। अगर आप आए तो अपने आप को नहीं लेके आइएगा, आप अपने नेबर्स, अपने फैमिली मेम्बर्स सबको रिमाइंड करें। अगेन, वोटिंग इज हैपनिंग until October 30th, और फिर इलेक्शन का दिन है November 3rd। आइए, take part. Let's make sure that democracy still lives here in America. Thank you.